to my second video in a set of 6 videos all about energetic and spiritual protection. And in this video I am going to be giving you a little mini visualization you can do to strengthen your protection, and I'm also going to be giving you a universal protection meditation that will help with lots of different situations you may need energetic and spiritual protection. There is a downloadable podcast of just the meditation, so you don't have to watch the whole video just to get the meditation. And if you stay till the end, I'll tell you how to get hold of that then. Like I said, in this video I'm going to be doing a little mini visualization, and I'm also going to be doing a longer meditation for protection as well. The best way that we can use energetic and spiritual protection is to raise our vibration and strengthen our aura. This is what I'm going to be doing in this video, is strengthening the aura and programming the aura. I am going to be looking at raising up your vibration in a future series of videos. I can't fit it all in this series of videos here, but it is so important. For our mini protection exercise, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be strengthening the aura, and we're going to be programming the aura as well. This really does only take a few seconds. I would suggest, especially if you're starting out with this, you do this daily until your aura has strengthened. Do the meditation at least once a week if you're starting out, or whenever you feel the need. You can do the mini visualization as well when you feel the need to, if you feel that your energy is being encroached on and you need a little bit extra protection. It really does only take a minute or less. Now it'll take a little bit longer here because obviously I've got to explain it to you. But if we close our eyes, see yourself in a bubble of white light. The bubble of white light reaches as far as your fingertips can reach and as far as your toes can reach as well. And we're going to be programming this bubble of white light. No negative or harmful energies can enter into this bubble. And it really is as simple as that. And you can see how we could just do this daily in just a few seconds, or we can do it whenever need be, the need arises. However, let's have a look at this longer meditation. So let's get into our meditative position and let's close our eyes. And as always, we're going to start out by taking 3 deep breaths. So we're going to be breathing in, and on our natural rhythm, we're going to release that breath again. And when we're ready, on our natural rhythm, we're going to be breathing in again. And we're going to be breathing in love and light and peace. And when we're ready, on our natural rhythm, we're going to be releasing that breath. And we're going to be releasing all stress and tension and seeing it dissipate harmlessly into the universe. When you're ready, on your natural rhythm, we're going to be breathing in again, and we're going to be breathing in love and light and joy and peace, and watching that love and joy and peace infuse with every cell of our body. And when we're ready, on our natural rhythm, we're going to be releasing that breath again, and we're going to be releasing all stress and tension and watching it dissipate harmlessly into the universe. Now see a warm white light above your head. This warm white light is going to slowly cover our body, and as it does so, it's going to release all tension in that part of the body and relax all muscles in that part of the body. And the white light is going to cover our scalp. And the white light is now going to cover our face, relaxing the muscles in the forehead, relaxing the muscles in the jaw, relax the tongue in the mouth, and the white light covers the neck and throat, relaxing all the muscles in the neck and throat. Now covering the shoulders, relaxing and releasing any tension in the shoulders. The white light moves down the upper arms and the lower arms. Now the hands and the fingers, relaxing and releasing any tension. The white light moves down the torso, over the chest, over the waist, and over the hips, releasing and relaxing any tension in those areas. And now the white light travels down the legs, over the upper legs, the knees, the lower legs, the ankles and the feet. Now see the white light glowing stronger and stronger and growing bigger and bigger. And now the white light is as far as your fingertips can reach and as far as your toes can reach. This is your auric body. We're now going to program the auric body. You can say this out loud or just in your mind should you wish to. No negative or harmful energies can enter into this bubble. We're going to now ask for angelic support and ask our angels to triple protect us. You are now protected. I'm going to count up from 5 to 1, and on each number you're going to become more and more awake until you're back to your waking consciousness, wide awake, fully rejuvenated. Number 5. Number 4, bringing our consciousness back to the body and to the room. Number 3, becoming more and more awake. Number 2, perhaps you'd like to wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. And number 1, maybe you'd like to open your eyes. Now, I always say it's a good idea not to get up too quickly after a meditation. Stay in that relaxed position for as long as you possibly can. Now, this is a universal protection. As the name suggests, it should be a general protection. It should protect you from most things. However, there are certain situations where you may need a little bit more protection, and I'm going to be looking at those in the next video. If you want to know more or go more into depth with this, please go along to my website starlightworkcircle.com, and you can watch the full videos there on my membership site. If you want the podcast that goes along with this video, the meditation on its own, so you don't have to watch the whole video to do the meditation, the link will be below. Or go along to my website, starlightworkcircle.com, and go to free stuff. Like I said, in the next video, I am going to be looking at some situations where we may need a little bit more protection. So I hope to see you there. Bye.